Welcome to Calm TV. Stay calm and live life. Alright, so we doing a little unboxing video right here today. Got us something from Macy's. Let's see what's in the box. See if they got us what we ordered. Something for my mom's birthday. And a little extra gift for me. Because it gave us a gift for buying a gift. Which is nice. Okay. Let's see. Look at you, Macy's. Okay. Got a nice big package. Ooh, they did give me my gift. I got 50% off DoorDash, but I don't do DoorDash. Okay. Oh, yep. This is my gift right here. This is the free gift. Nice. Let's open that on it. Ooh, this is my other little free gift. Nice. Okay. It's the ladder, as you can see. Okay. And here's my mom's birthday gift. Let's turn that around. Okay. See that a little bit better there. Alright. Some more paper for cushion. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Not really a surprise because this is what she wanted for her birthday. Okay, let's see what it's looking like. Pause for a second. Okay, that's what she wanted. Her pleasures. There it is. Got it. Alright, got it. Got this birthday gift. Gonna wrap that up. Put that in there. Free. Pause. Alright, let's see what we got in here. This is freebie. Okay, here's the freebie. Comes with the cool little bag. I mean, it's coming with the bag. I like that bag. Nice. It's cute. And then, of course, we have the fruit products that go inside the bag. Got our creams and lotion. Clean. Multi-action foam cleanser purifying mask. Yes. Let's do some that. Then we got hoodies and all. Then we got us the movies and all. Okay. And what else we got? We got us the movies and all. Freebies. That's the freebies that come with this little baggie, which is so cute. Plus, one more freebie, which is going to be my mascara. Primer, yay. Need me some primer. My foundation. This is my lipstick. Hopefully they gave me the pink one, because it's supposed to be pink. Mascara. Freebies. You didn't have to pay for that. It's called free. Thank you, Estelada. And then, of course, so you guys can see, this is the one box. on sale, 50% off. We got all that for free. That was a nice deal. Yay! Let's show it to you like this. See? Bought this. Got all this for free. I bought this. Got all this for free. Woo! Nice happy birthday to my mom and me, Tizzy. I'm getting some of this free stuff. That was her gift. That's free stuff. Alright, see ya. And remember to always be uniquely, beautifully you. This is Courtney Larrett May signing out. See you later.